With spring being just around the corner, and for most households, that means carving out chunks of time to do some much needed spring cleaning. Along with taking care of all the fun stuff like cleaning out the closets or organizing the garage, it's also a good time to take stock of how energy efficient your home is, or possibly isn't. Today's video will cover 6 tried and true energy efficient improvements that we feel you should be able to do yourself. First up, make the switch to energy efficient light bulbs. This shouldn't come as a surprise to our many viewers, but traditional incandescent light bulbs expend a lot of energy to produce light and emit 90% of their energy as heat. Depending on the amount of light bulbs you have, this can increase your monthly utility bill and rise the temperature inside your home. The best solution is to swap those inefficient bulbs for high efficiency LED ones. The next improvement doesn't cost you any money. Change the direction of your ceiling fans. Spring season typically introduces warmer weather. But even though the weather will be warmer, you don't want to start running your air conditioner unnecessarily. This is where ceiling fans can really come in handy. A great way to keep the cool air circulating properly is to make sure your ceiling fans are rotating in the right direction. During winter months, they should be rotating counterclockwise to keep the rising warm air flowing downward. As the warmer weather arrives, your fan should be switched to rotate clockwise to produce the opposite effect. And the best part is, you really don't need to spend any money for this, as most fans have a toggle switch located above or below the blades. The next recommended improvement is pretty inexpensive. It's to seal any air leaks in your home. One of the best ways to maintain your home's energy efficiency is to ensure the conditioned air is not seeping out through poorly sealed areas of your home, such as windows and doors. Invest in some quality weather stripping, caulking, and other sealing aids to keep the cool air in and the warm air out. This is an inexpensive improvement you should have no issues doing yourself, and it will ultimately save you money. Another inexpensive improvement that we recommend for spring is changing your furnace filter. Replacing a dirty or clogged filter reduces the strain on the HVAC system, which means it will work better to circulate the air. When you swap out that old filter for a clean new one, you will improve the quality while boosting the efficiency of your HVAC system. The next energy efficient improvement we recommend that tends to get overlooked is cleaning the lint filter in your dryer. This is a deceptively easy task to overlook, but it can really make a difference on how much energy your dryer will require. There are a handful of handymen that will do this very inexpensively. Not only does this improve the dryer's ability to, dry, but it also prevents potential lint fires. And the last improvement we recommend for spring is to consider upgrading to energy efficient appliances. With it about to be spring, we couldn't resist recommending some newer energystar appliances. And this is because your kitchen appliances typically account for roughly 1/3 of your home energy usage. So it only makes sense to utilize appliances that will give you the most bang for your buck. Consider replacing your oldest appliances first with newer models. You don't have to upgrade your whole kitchen all at once, but you can do it gradually as good deals pop up. Thanks for watching today's energy efficient home improvement video. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking that button down below. And if you live in Southern California and you're interested in improving your home's energy efficiency, give us a call or visit us online. We offer free in-home consultations with basic energy reports. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.